father's instruction to deliver bread and cheese to the brothers. He didn't find this instruction to be so little. He didn't despise the instruction that it didn't bring glory and honor to him because he's just a deliverer of delivering cheese and bread. He's not there to really wear an armor and really stand up and fight and become a victor, become the hero. No, but he humbled himself and agreed, yes. He went and delivered cheese and bread. Young people, this is something you need to understand. Submission to your parents, submission to God-appointed leaders will always cause God's favor to flow in your life. You will also find yourself at the right place at the right time. If you humble yourself to authorities.